Today we are taking a journey of Korea to discover 7 incredible traditional summer beverages that are packed with health benefits. We are talking about drinks that can aid digestion, boost your immune system, provide a powerful antioxidants and help you detoxify your body. Get ready to swap your regular iced tea for this revolutionary summer sips. Number 1, start with the letter S, that is sweet rice drink, the digestive dynamo. This isn't just a sweet drink, it's a living testament to the power of fermentation. It's a traditional sweet rice beverages made by fermenting cooked rice with malt barley powder. The scientific magic here lies in the malt barley. During the fermentation process, the amylase enzyme present in the malt break down the complex starches in the rice into simple sugar digestive aid. This process creates a drink rich in digestive enzymes that can help break down starches in your digestive system, making it an excellent post-meal digestive aid. Probiotic potential. While not a probiotic powerhouse like kimchi, the fermentation process can introduce beneficial bacteria, supporting a healthy gut microbiome, which, as we know, is the foundation of overall health. Natural energy boost. The simple sugar provides a quick and easily digestive source of energy without the severe spikes and crash of processed sugary drinks. Number 2, start with the letter S, that is cinnamon ginger drink. This is a traditional drink made by cinnamon sticks, ginger and dried persimmons. The key bioactive compounds here are gingerol from ginger and cinnabildihyde from cinnamon, anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Both ginger and cinnamon are potent anti-inflammatory agents. Chronic inflammation is at the root of many diseases, and consuming these compounds can help reduce it throughout the body. Improve circulation. Gingerol has a well-documented thermogenic effect, which helps warm up the body and improves blood circulation. Better circulation means more efficient delivery of oxygen and nutrients to your cells, which is vital for energy and recovery, especially in the summer. Digestive comforts. Just like sweet rice drink, ginger is a renowned carminative, meaning it helps to relieve gases and bloating, making cinnamon ginger drink a perfect after dinner drink. It's the ideal choice for refreshing yet warming sensation that gets your blood flowing. Number 3, start with the letter M, that is the green plump drink, the fatty fighter. A vibrant green plump syrup that is mixed with cold water to make it a revitalizing drink. The syrup is made by fermenting green plums with sugar. This drink a powerhouse of citric acid, picric acid and other organic acids, metabolism and detoxification. These organic acids are fantastic for promoting metabolism and supporting liver function, which is your body primarily detoxification organs. Lactic acid breakdown. It's a scientifically recognized for its ability to help break down lactic acid, the compound that builds up in your muscles and causes fatigue. This is why it's popular drink for athletes or anyone feeling a bit tired and sluggish after a long day. Gut health. The fermentation process creates a brew of beneficial bacteria, and the citric acid helps to inhibit the harmful bacteria in the gut, promoting a healthier digestive environment. So if you're looking to beat the summer fatigue, a glass of M drink, that is green plump drink, is just what the doctor ordered. Number 4 is Omega tea, that is Sassandra berry tree, the adaptogen star. Omega tea is made from the dried berries of Sassandra vines. That makes this berries a unique and is famous for its 5 flavors, that is sweet, sour, salty, bitter and pungent, all in one sip. Scientifically, these berries are famous for being an adaptogen, stress and fatigue reduction. Adaptogen are a class of plants that help your body to adapt physical and mental stress. The active compounds called lignins can help regulate the cortisol response, the body primarily stress hormones, thereby reducing feeling of fatigue and improving endurance. Antioxidant liver protector. Omega berries are rich in antioxidants that have been shown to studies to protect the liver from oxidative stress. A healthy liver is crucial for detoxification and overall well-being. Hydration with a twist. The unique mix of flavors make this a complex, refreshing refreshing drink that encourages hydration, a key to surviving a hot summer. Number 5. Yuja tea, that is citron tea, the vitamin C powerhouse. It's a preserve made from the citron fruit, which is similar to a lemon but with a distinct flavor and much higher vitamin C content. This is vitamin C powerhouse and the scientific benefits are clear. Immune system support. Vitamin C is a critical micronutrient for a robust immune system. It acts as a potent antioxidant, protecting your cells from damage. Collagen synthesis. Vitamin C is a crucial cofactor for synthesis of collagen, the protein that gives your skin elasticity and youthful firmness. So a daily glass of Yuja tea can contribute to a healthier skin and radiant glow. Antioxidant and flavonoids contents. Yuja is packed with flavonoids like hesperidin and naringin, which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, further protecting your body from free radicals damage. Number 6. Boricha tea, that is roasted barley tea, the everyday hydrator. Next we have, this is the staple in many Korean households. Boricha are simple roasted from barley. It's served at hot and cold and often used as a daily replacing of water. It might seem a simple drink, but it has the key benefits: caffeine-free hydration. Unlike ice, black or green tea, Boricha is completely caffeine-free, making it an excellent choice for pure hydration without any diuretic effects. Rich in minerals, it contains essential minerals like manganese, selenium and copper, which are important electrolytes that helps maintain fluid balance in the body, a key for staying hydrated in the heat. Antioxidant properties. Roasted barley contains a variety of polyphenols that acts as antioxidant, helping to protect your cells from oxidative stress. Boricha is a simple, mild and effective way to meet your daily hydration needs where getting some added health benefits. Number 7. Start with the letter O, that is roasted corn silk tea, the natural diuretic. Finally, our 7th drink is a unique one, roasted corn silk tea. This is very popular bottled drink in Korea and it's made from the silky threads you find on the corn. The scientific reasons for its popularity is its diuretic properties. Natural diuretic. Corn silk contains compounds like mezenic acid that act as a natural diuretic. This helps flush out excess water and toxins from your body. Kidney and urinary health. By promoting urination, it can help support kidney function and may be beneficial for urinary tract health. Blood sugar management. Some studies suggest that the compounds in corn silk may help regulate blood sugar levels, though more research is needed. So there you have it, 7 incredible Korean drinks that offer delicious and scientifically backed way to upgrade your summer hydration game. From the digestive powerhouse of Sikie to the antioxidant magic of Yuja tea and the cleansing effect of Okususu, which drink offer a unique set of benefits that go for the beyond such quenching your thirst. Have you ever tried any of these traditionally Korean beverages? Which ones sound the most interesting to you? Let me know in the comments below. Stay active and stay healthy.